That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes! Oh! I ain't gonna make it. This is nuts. Yo, these are nice cars too. Oh! Whoa, whoa, look at that! Oh, it flipped over. It went under.
Oh my god! Oh, amazing! Oh, oh man! Oh, boys!
Look at that! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get inside.
Shut down the door! Get it, guys!
Get T, doing it.
Come on! Guys, get in here!
Don't want to get in back.
Cuidado, 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 señor, señor, señor. Oh my god! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my god! Holy! Astagfirullah! Wabilai! Ayam! Hak! Hak! Tolong ko, Wago! Tolong ko!
Take a look at this breathtaking moment. A massive avalanche cascades down the slopes of the Himalayas. People below stand in awe, capturing the raw, unstoppable power of nature. This dust storm might look small, but it's surprisingly powerful. effortlessly swirling and sending numerous chairs flying in its wake.
This is the rock.
That was a goodie.
Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Take a look at this incredible moment from Agua Fria, in the municipality of Salgado, Brazil, where a powerful lightning bolt strikes just meters from a residential home. Captured by a local resident, this footage showcases the raw and unpredictable force of nature in all its breathtaking intensity. Watch as a massive section of the mountain suddenly collapses, sending tons of debris crashing down the hillside. This incredible moment occurred in India, near the city of Delhi, showcasing the raw power of nature in action. Look at this incredible moment of the Dukono volcano in Indonesia, when it suddenly erupts, sending a massive cloud of ash and smoke into the sky, a breathtaking display of nature's raw power.
Banyak batu.
This CCTV footage, captured on January 2nd, 2025, in Chile, shows the intense moment when a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck, causing the ground to shake violently at a depth of 105 kilometers. See how straight this smoke rises, forming a perfectly vertical line. This is likely a result of calm and stable wind conditions.
Это в планету идет куда-то? Ёбана. Його. Что-то там не то.
Watch out, Zach. It's gonna spin over.
There's the doggy. How was that ride?
Oh my God, I'm so confused. How did these dogs get inside the tree? This is truly unbelievable. This lava flow is truly mesmerizing and absolutely stunning. Check out this intense footage of a tornado ripping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas, leaving destruction in its wake. This stunning footage from northern Pakistan captures a massive landslide, as torrents of debris and dust cascade down the mountainside with overwhelming force. The raw power of nature is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Can you imagine witnessing this up close?
Yallah, yallah. Dulu kau lihat from Daniel.
Olha se tiver, gente. Olha que doideira.
A dramatic rock slide shakes the peaceful hills of Soturno, Brazil, with massive boulders crashing dangerously close to an old train line. Fortunately, no injuries or damage to homes were reported, but the event has left residents in awe of nature's immense power.
Okay.
Watch as massive hailstones pour down in Carolina during a wedding ceremony, turning a peaceful outdoor setting into chaos. Cars, tables, and the ground are pounded by these icy blasts, showing just how unpredictable nature can be.
Sabine! Sabine!
Espera, ahora que tú pagas mi home. Hasta que vivo tú, Dios mío.
Watch this shocking footage from Tiruvannamalai, India, where a sudden and fast-moving flash flood surges through a narrow street, turning it into a raging river within seconds. At Yellowstone National Park, people stand spellbound as a massive geyser erupts, launching towering clouds of steam and dark ash into the sky. This breathtaking display captures the sheer, untamed power of nature.
Воде просто трындец. Куда вот это поехать? Твою мать, что за наклон? Не знаю, видно нет, эта фигня крутится. Ты не знаешь, как смерч сраный, господи. Сейчас нас прикинь пойдет.
This towering waterspout is both terrifying and awe-inspiring, a breathtaking display of nature's raw power. Watch as this terrifying floodwater destroys a home in India. A trailer crashes into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's wrath. This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing students in a classroom when suddenly a powerful earthquake strikes, causing chaos in the room.
That bitch got big. And he's trying to roll his windows up.
Olha o vídeo, ó.
Amor, olha onde que cai. Olha ali. Você não pode ficar ali não, gente. Olha que horror.
Look at this incredible sight. Massive clouds resting on the mountaintop, slowly drifting as if they're embracing the peak. Their gentle movement creates a truly magical moment, as if the earth and sky are meeting in perfect harmony. Look at this amazing phenomenon. One side of the road is pouring with rain, while the other side remains completely dry. A fascinating display of nature's unpredictability. In the bustling streets of China, a strange phenomenon unfolds. Thick foam covers the roads, leaving locals stunned. Is it nature's doing or a man-made mishap? Look at this, a rare and mesmerizing fire tornado. Scorching flames collide with powerful winds, creating this jaw-dropping display of nature's raw and unpredictable power.
Cabeça me ajuda.
Get out! Get out! Get
A
out!
terrifying scene in Florida. Rising floodwaters slowly engulf this truck as the driver struggles to escape. This man narrowly escapes a falling roof tile during storm.
Just be okay. You're gonna be okay, alright? You're gonna be okay.
Oh no! Look at this devastating wildfire, turning everything to ash. This massive fire in Los Angeles has spread on a catastrophic scale.